Well, hello there. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Drew.
I'm Chris.
And we're the couple that does makeup together. So today we have something special planned. We're going to play some makeup roulette. But not just any makeup roulette. We're talking all of our products in our whole entire collection. Talking all of our foundations, all of our eyeshadow palettes, all of our lipsticks, concealers, all that stuff. And it's all being pulled together, so there's a chance like I could get his foundation, he could get my concealer, so it's gonna be fun. Keep on watching. So how this is gonna work is I have a random word generator on my phone, and we're gonna input, we have inventoried all of our products. Took us like a couple hours, but we inventoried everything, wrote it all down, and we're gonna input it in a random word generator. So whatever product pops up is the product we're gonna use. And the first product we're gonna do is primer. All right, so we have all of our primers inputted into the random word generator. We have all of them listed on the side. So I'm gonna go first. I got my Iconic London Prep Set and Go, so
Ooh.
I got a good one. I mean, I've never used it as a primer before, so I'm kind of curious how that's gonna look.
Yeah. All right, so for my primer, it looks like I'm gonna get the Milk Blur Stick, which I've used a lot, and I love it.
Let's prime this face.
And I have a pimple just in time for filming today, so that was great.
I have a couple of face demons myself. All right, foundation and concealer is next. Of all of the foundations inputted, there's 17 different ones that can be chosen. All right, here we go. I'm so scared.
Let me see.
I got Chris's Bounce foundation.
Oh. So for me, let's see what we got. I got Too Faced.
He got his own.
I got that. Oh, thank God.
So we're gonna also go ahead and select our concealers to pair with the foundation, because I'm hoping I get one of mine so that I can make this work. I got my ColourPop Light. I'm not the biggest fan of that formula for concealer, but I can make it work.
Let's see what I got to conceal my life. Elf Camo.
My Elf Camo.
Ooh.
But it's in medium peach, so I think.
Oh, that's actually.
I think
not
he'll
that
be.
bad. Yeah. I'll just have a bright moment.
Yeah.
And we're back. We got our stuff. So let's bounce.
All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to use this almost as my entire like base, and then use Chris's Bounce kind of as like a contour base.
Ooh, yeah. This is. I think this one is Jackie's favorite. Jackie Anna. Jagga. Couldn't do that with our name though.
Kind of like burning my skin.
What?
The concealer.
Oh my God. Burning.
It's like kind of like a burning sensation.
Alright, so now I'm gonna apply the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. Now that this foundation is down. It's actually not that bad. I actually like it.
And I'm gonna go in with Chris's Bounce. And like I said, I'm gonna put that on my like contour spots where I usually contour and give it like a base.
Yeah, I kind of just went in.
Jesus, this is not a contour color.
Yes.
Oh God, this looks like poop.
Poop.
On my face.
I have a poop color. I think we made our foundation concealer work.
I like the ColourPop concealer as like a foundation. I honestly don't hate it.
I bounced his concealer to filth, so it's already creasing and disappearing, which is fine because it was really light. So next we're gonna choose our powders. Go ahead.
Oh, we have 6 to choose from, and I got Laura Mercier. Okay.
For some reason, I have a feeling
Laura.
I'm gonna get Flower Beauty. I don't know why. Flower. I'm telling you, I am psychic. So here she is, and here the other she is.
I feel like everyone knows Miss Laura here.
It's Laura.
I feel like the flower powder, she's a little unknown. This one is actually, it's like a little flecks of like glitter, I would say. It's kind of like a sheen, has a little bit of sheen.
Very cute. Very cute.
But while we let our powders bake, honey, we're going to go ahead and pick some brow products.
Mm-hmm. And we already talked about it, but we're only going to, because sometimes we use more than one brow product.
I mean, who doesn't?
Yeah. So we're just going to choose one, and we have to work with that. If you get a clear brow gel, well, sister, good luck.
All right. I get ABH Brow Wiz, yes, which is mine.
Of course, yes. All right. And for me, I get Morphe Palm. You got your ABH Brow Wiz.
Mm-hmm.
Your Mustache Wiz.
Mustache Wiz.
And I got Drew's Morphe Brow Cream in the shade Java, which is not my color.
I didn't like it.
Yeah, it's a very
I
like.
didn't like it.
It looks like a cool tone taupe. Look at these brows slayed and laid. Oh yeah, I actually like this.
Brows are laid.
Mm-hmm.
How did you like that product?
I like it. It very much reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade.
Nice.
Just not very used to it. I also didn't cut it, so they're a little rough, a little thick.
We are moving on to bronzer / contour. So we have 9 options to choose from. Let's go. I got Fenty Beauty Truffle.
I knew it. I
Stick.
seriously was like, he's gonna get Fenty Beauty. I'm telling you, I'm psychic.
I'm scared.
All right, it's. Whew.
I'm gonna have to go light with her.
All right, and then for me, I've got
My
Hourglass palette. Okay.
Matchsticks, truffle, and then I'm also gonna use. Chris has this brush,
Which is so nice.
to kind of help me out a little bit.
And then I got the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 4. Oof. So
One of my holy grail products.
like the bronzer shade is like down here.
So I think what I'm gonna do is I'll warm this up a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna take it just lightly on the brush itself instead of putting it right on my face.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try to make this like work. So I think I found a new like love. I loved this, how this turned out. This truffle with this brush. I've never used it because it was Chris's, but it's so nice.
And this was well worth the money. That bronzer on me is a nice like wash of color, but as a contour. So now, what do we do?
Blush.
Blusher.
I got my ambient lighting edit.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, let's see what I got. I have a feeling it's going to be a Shop Miss A, like the AOA. Nope. Morphe Blush Palette. I don't have that here.
You're back.
I got my Morphe Blush Palette. So pretty. And Drew took his Hourglass palette.
Took it right back. Yeah, I usually just take these two at the very bottom and I just mix them together. Like so.
Ooh, this coral is so nice. This coral blush. The shade Sexy.
Ooh, it fits.
No.
I'm shook. I just can't get over how much I like this look so far.
Ooh,
like all these random products like I never would have put together. That's why makeup roulette's like so much fun. Up next, we're gonna hit up some highlighter. It's like one of my favorite parts. We have over 34 to choose from. Let's do this. I got the Makeup Revolution Ghost Lights highlighter, which is a highlighter I bought like 2 years ago. It was from like a Makeup Revolution Halloween collection.
Let's see, I got Jeffree Star Cosmetics Goddess, which is a liquid highlighter.
Oh.
And that's mine. Ooh.
If you
Look at that.
You definitely can't see it, but mine has like a skull print. It's kind of like a duochrome almost. It's like a pinky, like white shift. You definitely won't be able to, maybe you can kind of see it.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at, oof.
Plus I've heard from some people like using that over powders and stuff is not good.
Yeah.
But you never know. So
let's get glowing.
And this one's also pretty powdery. So I'm not going to try to go overboard with it. You see that kick back? Look at that.
Oof. That's pretty bad.
Oh, damn. That looks awesome.
Oh, my giblets.
So I'm going to take a more concentrated brush. It's like a Real Techniques setting brush. I actually like this for concentrated highlighting. I'm going to take it, kind of try to put it more in this middle section.
All right, we are officially glowed. And next up is eyeshadow. Oof. I have a feeling one of us is definitely going to get a single like a single eyeshadow, not a palette. Yeah.
Yeah, because this is like all of our single. We have like liquid metals and little color pop singles, and also like just all of our eyeshadow palettes too.
All right, so let's see what Drew gets.
Okay. ABH Prism palette.
Ooh, which he loves.
I love that palette. The formula is a little tricky, but I really actually do like that palette.
I knew it. Told you.
Oh, yep.
What did I tell you? I got Stila's Kitten. It's a single, which is cool.
I got that like shell over my pants.
And we're back. I got my single shadow.
And I have my little palette here.
Do you see that?
Oh, yes, I know. So I'm going to take the shade Eden up here, and I'm going to do like a soft cut crease, and then I'm going to take Lure to blend out the edges. And one thing about this formula, it's pretty powdery, but that's okay. I don't think it's as powdery as Subculture.
Oof.
Oh god.
Yeah, honestly, this Stila, the Magnificent Metals, like, it's really good. Like, if you are like just want like a simple, like really high shine, like eyeshadow, like look at that. Just one color all over the lid. Really, really nice. Super easy to apply. Alright, and we are finished. I have just Stila's Kitten all over with some kind of graphic eyeliner.
Yeah, what's funny is I actually used 2 different shades on each eye because I didn't like how the first one kind of blended out, kind of patchy, which kind of happens with this formula sometimes. But it turned out okay. I don't hate it.
Ooh, yes. Alright, so we're going to do some
false lashes.
Falsies today. Oof. I hate false lashes.
I'm nervous about this part because I don't wear false lashes. So.
And I hate wearing them.
But we thought for the hell of it, let's try it out. I got 817s, which I don't know what that is. So
I think we'll see. But for me, I got Teddy. I knew it. I knew I was going to get Teddy. Oof, Teddy's huge. Those are huge. All right, lashes are on. We are good to go. And next up, lippies. And how many do we have?
Just lipsticks, like lipstick shades, we have 55. So.
That's a lip balm.
Smashbox Spoiler. I think it's a very light pink, if I remember right.
Ooh, for some reason, I have a feeling I'm going to get a Kat Von D product. Let's see. PMS. Nope, I got Fenty Beauty.
That's a good one.
That's a good one, yeah. There you go. Fenty Beauty's
Fenty Beauty.
Fenty Beauty's Mademoiselle in the shade PMS. And I also just have a soft contouring pencil from Essence.
I got the Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Spoiler Alert from Smashbox. Not the shade I would have picked, but you know, whatever. I love the applicator on these, though.
Yeah, I do too.
So that pointed applicator.
It's pretty. I like that, but yeah.
Yeah, it's alright. Alright, to finish off this look, we're going to throw on some lip gloss. We have 24 shades of lip gloss. So I got the shade Vacray, or Vacay. No, Vacray. It's Vacray from Fenty Beauty.
And then I got Motel Dreams.
Okay.
Huh.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
It's going to completely cover that.
Yeah. Alright, so I got the NYX Slip Tease Lip Lacquer Full Color Professional Makeup in the shade Motel Dreams.
And this is the Fenty lip gloss. It's in Vacray. It was from her summer collection last year.
Mine is like a very light mauve. Oh.
Gold!
Oof.
Alright, and
we are
done, honey. We just gotta set these faces. I think overall, I actually really like how mine turned out. The lip, I wouldn't necessarily pick with this look, but I actually kind of like it. The contour is probably my favorite like product discovery. I really like that Fenty matchstick is a contour for me.
For me, I really love that Stila Magnificent Metals. Really nice for an easy look. I'm usually more intricate with my looks, but this is really nice just to slap on and do. But your Hourglass, that ambient editing light volume 4, oof, that one is really nice. I like that.
Alright, so that's this week's video. If you liked it, give it a little thumbs up. And if you like us, you know, just go ahead and subscribe or whatever, you know, if you want to.
Do the things.
Do the things. Alright, we will see you next Monday. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Bye.
Bye.